Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session we will discuss about YouTube. What YouTube is all about, how YouTube works, what are the features and benefits of YouTube, so on and so forth. Now let's get started with it. What is YouTube? YouTube is the largest video sharing website in the world where you can register and upload your videos. And you can create channels for your videos. Largest video sharing website in the world, which is absolutely free. You can register, create your profile, whether it is an individual or the company, and you can upload your videos, provided of course you agree to the terms, conditions and the privacy of YouTube. And you can create multiple channels and categories for your videos. If you have multiple channels, so a series of videos that you want to upload, you can create the channels so that each channel have their own set of videos. How YouTube works? Largest video sharing website and a platform in the world. YouTube allows users to register and upload their videos. User can create their own video channels. You are free to upload your videos, absolutely free, and you can create your own channels. Users can monetize their video pages and earn revenue from ads. YouTube offers ads, which actually is a part of AdWords. And when you are creating video channels, the videos are appearing, along with it the ads are also appearing on your video pages. And when you generate high quality traffic to your video channels on YouTube, you can also generate revenue from the videos that you are posting on YouTube. YouTube is free for users and generates revenue from the ads. How YouTube is generating revenue? It is generating revenue from the ads. That is, it is also actually sharing from its own users, and it is absolutely free, where you can upload any number of videos. YouTube channel categories. You can create tutorials, you can create customer testimonials, tips and tricks of the various technologies or the services that you want to offer. Live presentations can also be created, the videos, product launches. If you are launching a product and you want the video to be created, you can create the video and you can upload it on the YouTube. How-tos are actually very popular. How do I do this? How do I do that? How do I actually reduce my weight? How do I actually stop smoking? These are the how-to videos which are extremely popular on YouTube. Music videos are extremely popular. Every music industry all over the world, they have their videos, they have their own channels and categories on YouTube. FAQs play an important role. Frequently asked questions. If you are a company or a business, you can create those FAQs and you can post that video link on your website so that the users can actually listen to the FAQs. And this is highly recommended, that you can leverage the YouTube videos on your website, on your blogs, on social media, so that the traffic can be generated from multiple sources. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is YouTube, how it works, and YouTube channels and categories. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.